Give us a sense of what's not only going on. There's, by the way, the plane of Michael Jackson. You see the picture of Michael Jackson? And it says, USA and the world demand justice for Michael Jackson. By the way, Jean Casares is just coming out of the courtroom. When she joins us, she'll be back in. But I see this photo, and it just reminds me of the passion, Jean, that people have for this case, not just in America, but internationally.
I got to tell you, I talked to a woman who had come from Berlin, Germany, to be at the courthouse.
Interesting. It's an interesting theory, you know, but here's going to be the thing in all this, and that makes sense to me. It does make sense to me, and we've heard over and over again that once you're injected with propofol, folks, it's like anesthesia in a hospital. You don't inject somebody with propofol and then you just pass out and you wake up and you do something else. The only problem I have with that is you can't really be sure with what's going on.
In trouble, and he's decided to take control. Now, take a look at this. We're seeing this just as you're seeing it. The Netherlands demands justice. This is extraordinary. Every day we see one of these, just about, and it's another country or another part of the world. That shows you how beloved Michael Jackson is around the world. But let's get back to why Dr. Conrad
Catherine Jackson talking about the toll this trial has had on her and her family. Just amazing. They're in that court all day, every day, supporting Michael Jackson. And by the way, giving you folks a sense of what's going on outside, too. There are planes flying around our building. Today, the plane said, Australia seeks justice for Michael Jackson, with a picture of Michael Jackson. And we talked to somebody about this earlier. They said they're going to be flying these planes every day just to show support for Michael Jackson from all over the world.
14 different countries, and we're going to get a flight every day of a different country. So this is a global effort to pay respects to Michael Jackson. There you see the U.S. and the world demands justice with a huge photo of. All right, we're hearing that there's something going on inside court, and I know our own Gene Casares is.
Jury selection for a highly publicized case, which has had fans lining up for tickets and anti-Murray messages flying over the courthouse. The doctor's response?
Dr. Murray, who is the founder of TeamMichaelJackson.com. My understanding is, before we go, you actually are paying for the banners that are up there, that the planes are flying over the courthouse. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, I'm one of the organisers. I have admin that work on the group, admins allocated from different parts of the world. We have various countries. We've appointed directors who have taken on the task of collecting donations for their own country, which have been forwarded on to flysigns.com, who's the aerial banner company responsible for flying the banners. We're flying 14 banners in total so far throughout the trial. More countries are coming on board. They would like to be represented as well. The banners have an image of Michael. The size of the image is 30 foot by 25 foot. We're hoping to fly 3 a week, though that will be increasing towards the end of the trial. As I said, more countries are coming on board.